While the toucan moves nimbly among the trees, down below in the open fields of the Pantanal, we spot an imposing large bird. The emma. The emma, the largest bird in the Americas, roams the vast plains of the Pantanal with its long legs and robust body. Although it cannot fly, it compensates with its incredible speed on land, capable of running at over 60 kilometers per hour to escape predators or simply to cross large distances in search of food. Its diet is varied, consisting of leaves, seeds, insects, and even small vertebrates. This gregarious bird is often seen in groups, especially during the breeding season, when males take on the task of incubating eggs and caring for chicks. The emma is a crucial